WishCare Hair Growth Serum Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've been struggling with thinning hair or slow growth, WishCare Hair Growth Serum may promise results, but most people get this wrong by expecting overnight change. The surprising truth is that consistent use and ingredient quality are key. WishCare is priced at $99 for a ml bottle, designed to last about 1 month with daily use. The serum includes biotin, caffeine, and natural plant extracts to nourish follicles and strengthen hair. Some bundles offer a 3-month supply at $99, saving about 10%. What you get: scientifically inspired ingredients for scalp health, a lightweight serum that absorbs quickly, and an easy-to-use dropper for precise application. What you give up: individual results vary, and it may take 6-8 weeks to notice improvement. Overuse doses speed results and can irritate the scalp. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Identify your hair goals: growth, thickness, or scalp health. Step 2. Check ingredients and verify any allergies. Step 3. Compare cost per month versus similar serums. Step 4. Monitor progress and adjust usage as directed. You won't believe what happens next. If you expect miracle growth, hair responds gradually, and skipping doses reduces effectiveness. The surprising truth is that high-quality ingredients with consistent application can deliver noticeable improvements over time. In conclusion, WishCare Hair Growth Serum can be worth the investment if you commit to daily use and realistic expectations. Understand pricing, track progress, and use as part of a complete hair care routine.